Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. And this is from calculus, but it's it's actually very important in physics. So if you're taking physics, you're going to need to know this. If you're in calculus, you need to know how to solve it for math reasons. So it's a good problem to look at. Okay, so I'm just getting set up here. So we'll start with the acceleration function, which is being given to us. Let's start with that. So a of t is equal to t squared minus 2t plus 3. So this is the acceleration of the particle at any time t. Next, we want to find the velocity of the particle at time t, and that's just the integral of a of t dt. And we're just going to use power rule here, so this is going to be t cubed over 3 minus t squared plus 3t plus a constant. We'll call that C1. Okay. And then we want to find S, which is the location or the distance. So this is going to be, S of t is just going to be the integral of v of t dt. Okay. So once again, we use power rule here. So this is going to be t to the 4th over 12 minus t to the t cubed over 3 plus 3t squared 2 plus c1 t plus another constant c2. Okay, so that's just straightforward application of the power rule. And you can, I think this looks right. That's right. And then this one looks right as well. Okay. So to evaluate the constants, we're going to use what we've been given about S of 0. So S of 0, we just plug 0 into this thing. That's going to be equal to C2, because when t is 0, everything goes away except for C2, and we're told that that's 0. So now we could rewrite S of t as t to the 4th over 12 minus t cubed over 3 plus 3t squared over 2 plus c1t. Because now we discovered that c2 is 0. Okay, now we'll do S of 1 here. And we're just plugging in 1 here, so it's going to be 1 over 12 minus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 2 plus C1 has to equal 20. So 1 over 12 minus 1 over 3 plus 3 over 2. Okay, so I'm just going to use my calculator here. Oh, yeah, I guess this is calculus. Maybe we should do it by hand. You never know. Sometimes teachers, especially calculus teachers, they won't allow calculators. All right, so let's just leave this. So 1 over 12 minus 4 over 12 plus 6 times 18 over 12 plus C1 equals 20. So we just get a common denominator going here. So it's 4 and 18. So 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So it's going to be 15 over 12 plus C1 is equal to 20. So C1 is going to be equal to 18 minus 4. Yep. So it's going to be 20 over 12 minus 15 over 12, which is going to be, what am I saying? Excuse me. So 20 times 12 is 240. And then minus 15 is 225. 12. And I don't know if that can be reduced. Yes, it can. This will be 75 over 4 because each of these is divisible by 3. So that's our answer. It's not a hard problem, really. You just have to know the relationships between acceleration and velocity and distance. And these functions are related as shown here on the screen. Okay, well, I hope this solution was helpful to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.